Department of Public Safety, Bureau of Criminal Apprehension Systems and Tools in the Criminal Justice Data Communications Network for the 5-year life of the agreement. Mr. Sarvey, any comment?
Not really, Your Honor. I mean, this is one of those tools that our prosecuting attorney feels that we need to have. It's at no cost. It's another example of the prosecutors and the law enforcement working together to make sure that they've got the adequate information they need to proceed in certain cases. And it's at no cost, and it's a tool that they believe is valuable for them to be able to be successful.
Is this something we've had in the past, or is this just something they just started?
I'm not sure. They've ever done this before?
I think they had it through the county, and I think now they're doing it with each individual city, for each prosecuting attorney in each city.
So this allows more direct access rather than having to go through the county?
Yeah.
It should speed the process up using new technology. I don't know if anybody caught 60 Minutes last night, but the police chief can work on there. It's pretty incredible the tools that law enforcement has now.
Move to approve it.
Second.
Motion by Mr. Hansi, second by Mr. Dahl. Any comment? All in favor of the motion say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? And the motion passes. Let's move on to 8C, review explanation from Attorney Chiglo regarding removal of candidate Leslie Ladaway's name from the official November ballot due to filing an incomplete affidavit of candidacy form and his decision not to petition the courts for correction. See attached letter and applicable statutes. Mr. Sarvey, care to comment?
I have no comment on it. I think the letter and the statute are self-explanatory. The applicant failed to properly fill out the paperwork and was given an opportunity to address it to the courts and decided not to. We just felt it would be important that council understood the reason for this.
Any comment?
No action required, just information.
Correct.
Okay.
Let's move on then. 8D, consideration of approval of a grant contract with the State of Minnesota Department of Natural Resources Volunteer Fire Assistance Matching Grant Award not to exceed $2,500 for the purchase of fire equipment. The department anticipates purchasing fire tools, communication equipment, and truck equipment. See attached grant contract.
Do you have a list of what they intend to buy, or?
I didn't receive anything from the chief. Is there any discussion, or is it sort of
We've
an
talked about
impending one?
stuff. Yeah, we've talked about different items, whether it be the Stokes basket or backboards. I think, there's different items, and that this is being used, I believe, in conjunction with some other things. So.
Okay, it's not necessarily restricted then?
They did list things, like the communication headset things and the stretcher things, and they listed a variety of novels and.
Yeah, it's got to be equipment that you would use.
For wildland fires. So they'll go through and they'll scrub the list based upon how much money they have and determine priorities of what they want to purchase first.
Okay. I'll move that we approve that. Second.
Motion by Mr. Bunke, second by Mr. Dahl. Any comment? All in favor of the motion say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? And the motion passes. Let's move on to 8E, consideration of approval of resolution 2011-044, acknowledging donations from Farmers Cooperative Elevator for $4,275 and an additional matching $4,275 from Land O'Lakes Foundation for the Rushford Fire Department for the purchase of grain rescue tube equipment. See attached resolution and thank you letters.